Maintenance is often the biggest point of friction between landlords and renters, but it doesn't have to be. Whether it's a leaky faucet or a broken furnace, how you respond sets the tone for the entire rental relationship. The key to drama-free maintenance is categorizing the issue as either a critical emergency or a non-emergency and keeping a clear paper trail of your progress. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Etherton, the General Manager at Avail and a DIY landlord for over 15 years. Handling repairs requires clear timelines and constant communication. In this video, we're going to cover the different types of repairs you should expect, your legal responsibilities as a landlord, and communication habits that keep renters happy and your property protected. Before diving in, let's first cover the difference between repair types. First, you have emergency or critical repairs. These are issues that affect the habitability of the home, like no heat or major electrical hazards. Your lease should clearly state what you are responsible for and what happens if a repair requires a renter to temporarily move out. Depending on your jurisdiction and local state laws, if the unit is uninhabitable, renters may not be legally required to pay rent until it's fixed. Then there are non-emergency or non-critical repairs. These are minor functional issues that don't make the unit unlivable. These still need attention, but the law typically allows different timelines than those for emergencies. One final rule: if you collected a security deposit, it cannot be used to address repairs during the lease. That money is not yours to touch until after the lease ends. Now that we've covered the basics, here's a step-by-step on how to handle requests like a pro. Step 1. Request visual evidence. Whenever a renter submits a request, encourage them to include as many photos and videos as possible. This helps you better diagnose exactly what help and items are needed before anyone arrives on site. Step 2. Be overly communicative. The drama in maintenance usually comes from the renter feeling ignored. Be overly communicative by providing updates on when they'll hear from you and when you've contacted a pro. Let them know exactly when someone will arrive so they know the issue is being actively addressed. Step 3. Document the resolution. Once the repair is finished, formally notify the renter. Check back in a few weeks to ensure everything is still working. This check-in creates a record that the issue was fully addressed, in case the renter later says it wasn't. Step 4. Conduct regular inspections. Don't wait for things to break. Conduct periodic inspections to keep track of the property's condition and any issues resolved during the lease term. Always maintain your rental property as a business asset through proactive inspections and meticulous documentation. By requiring photos and following a consistent communication plan with maintenance, you remove the guesswork and the emotion from the repair process. This approach also helps build trust with your renters, which could lead to lease renewals down the line. Check the link in our description for more information on handling maintenance and property upkeep, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you landlord with confidence. Thanks for watching.